Greetings! AI workloads are fragile. Just one glitch like a network link flap can cause entire jobs to fail, wasting hours of work and forcing costly checkpoint restarts. But not anymore. In this demo, we'll deliberately break a network link, and you'll see how Clockwork Fleet IQ allows your AI jobs to just keep running. Here we have a 4-node GPU cluster. Each node has 16 100 gigabit NICs. The cluster is currently idle, so let's go ahead and kick off some workloads. Let's start 2 all-reduce jobs. For the first, we'll use the standard nickel driver. And for the second, we'll use the Clockwork nickel plugin, which will make the job resilient to failures. You can see the 2 jobs have just started. As an aside, both jobs cross the same network spine, but Clockwork Dynamic Traffic Control has eliminated the network contention. This is why the performance is sitting at over 1.4 terabits a second, which is pretty close to the theoretical maximum. Now we're going to introduce some link flaps to see how they affect the 2 all-reduced jobs. First, I'll pull a cable from a NIC used by job 1, and I'll also pull a cable from a NIC used by job 2. NIC 1 in nodes ECMP 4 and 5 turn gray, indicating they have failed. Soon after, the first all-reduced job completely stops. This is the one using the standard nickel driver. But the second, the one with the Clockwork nickel plugin, just keeps running. The performance drop is because the traffic from the failed port is being rerouted across the other ports. Now I'm going to plug the cables back in, first for job 1 and then for job 2. NIC 1 in nodes ECMP 4 and 5 now turn green again to indicate they are working. But job 1 never recovers, so work is lost and you would have to restart it manually from the most recent checkpoint. But job 2, the one using the Clockwork nickel plugin, returns to full performance. What you just saw was how Clockwork Fleet IQ made an AI workload resilient to failure and avoided a costly checkpoint restart. It was done entirely in software and works on rocky, InfiniBand, and Ethernet networks. Please contact us today to organize a trial and make your workloads resilient to failure. Thanks for watching the demo.